welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share my Good Vibes products which I've bought from Purple. I hope you all like this video and find this helpful. If you are looking for skincare products, you can definitely check these out, and these are very affordable and very easy to order from purple.com. I'll give you the links down below in the description box. Do check that out. So without further ado, let's get started. So the very first thing which I have bought from Purple is this. This is a orange gel. I have shared this in many of my skincare routine videos. I love this gel a lot. I mean, if you're looking for a budget friendly gel, you can look out for this one. This retails for 215 rupees, and if you buy this during some discount sale or something, you will get this for lesser. And I've got the other variant as well in this, which is this aloe vera one, and I'll just open and show you the consistency of this. This looks something like this, like very like gel like consistency, because it is a gel. And I'll just show you how does it apply. Like this is very nice and thin gel. It will get absorbed in your face, like in your skin, very quickly. So yeah, I like this one. Also, the aloe vera one is the same consistency and same texture. You can see over here, like this is very blendable and very nice on your skin. Like it will give you a little bit of shine as well on your face. This is very nice and blendable product. Next thing which I have bought is this. This is pomegranate brightening scrub, and this smells good. This is really nice. I mean, if you're looking for a very mild scrub out there, you can just grab this one. If you are sensitive skin or oily skin, you can definitely buy this one, because sensitive skin girls, basically they can't really apply a scrub or something which has bigger granules and which is harsh on their skin. So you can definitely go with this one. This is very nice, very mild on your skin, and very effective. Next thing which I've got is this face mask, papaya face mask, and I have shared this as well in my previous skincare routine videos. So those who have watched that video, they must know that I have already used this. Like this looks something like this, and this has a very nice texture as well. Just show you. This is very soft on your skin, and this definitely provides glow to your skin. So if you are looking for something which would give you glow, at the same time it will brighten your skin, go for this mask. Next thing which I have bought is this Argan Fine Line Cream. Argan Fine Line Minimizing Face Cream, which is for my mom. Actually, I wanted something some good cream to deal with her fine lines and wrinkles and everything. So if your mom or any elderly person who is looking for a good moisturizing cream, they could just try this one. I will just show you the consistency of this. This is very nice and blendable. Like you'll see this getting disappeared like within seconds. So if you are looking for something like this, you can just invest in this one. Next thing, I have bought this. This is again for my mom. This is frankincense plus almond. I don't know what is that. Wrinkle control and brightening serum, and this is again a very nice product. Actually, this is empty right now. I bought this long time ago for my mom, and she used it and she liked it as well. And I'll be buying this again for sure. So if you're looking for a budget friendly serum for your mom, you can buy this one. Next, I've bought a bunch of toners from this Good Vibes toner range. One is pomegranate. I have already shared this in my previous videos. Next is rosehip. This is basically for my brother. He uses this. And one is rose. So I like all of them, and the very important thing in this, you know, particular product is its mist. Like, it is so fine. I'll just show you. You can't even see, like, it's very fine, very refreshing. If you're looking for, you know, everyday mist also, you can just go with this one. And this is a very nice toner. And do not forget to, you know, dab it like into your face when you use this one. Next thing which I've got is this face wash. This is a pomegranate face wash. Basically, I don't like this product that much. I mean, this is a good cleanser, but the smell of this one, I mean, it just annoys me a bit. And if you don't have any problem with the fragrance, you can definitely try this one. I mean, I personally don't like this. So yeah, that's all for my good vibes products from Purple. You guys, if you are looking for budget friendly skincare, you can definitely check these out. And let me know in the comments down below which product did you buy from Purple after watching this particular video, and which one did you like and would be, you know, buying in future. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I'll see you in my next one super soon. Till then, take care. Bye guys.